For the sake of £20 to £30 worth of bearings, this machine could have been saved. These machines are being scrapped far too often because of simple faults, and manufacturers make it exceedingly expensive. There are far too many machines going to the landfill today without actually any thought to the perfectly good workable parts that are still on the machine. These machines are being crushed just for the raw materials: copper, metal, aluminium, and so on. And so many countries are going to war against other countries for the mineral resources. And here's my opinion to the governing bodies. I think not only should you be looking at machines' lifespans, you should also be looking at the way they are constructed, making sure that general public engineers have the capability of gaining access to technical information. I'm not asking for the manufacturer's trade secrets to be revealed. What I'm asking for is a basic manual to tell you how to test the components. We should also not be building machines with obsolescence because of the prices of not having this as an interchangeable part, or not even having a bearing kit available. Or the electronics should be reasonably affordable so people are able to repair their machines correctly. I also think governing bodies need to have some control over the way manufacturers are building circuit boards. They need to have an understanding if any obsolescence is present within the circuit board.